Hello, my name is Aude Coupel-Ledru, and I work as a researcher at UMR LEPS on grapevine adaptation to dry and hot climates. My research is mainly centered on the genotypic diversity of responses observed across a wide range of grapevine genotypes.
Hello, I'm Benoît Pallas. I work in the same team as Aude. I am the leader of the group in which this new research position is offered. And I work mainly on plant modeling. We are looking for an ecophysiologist to address key challenges related to grapevine cultivation in the context of climate change. As you may know, grapevine is increasingly exposed to recurrent episodes of water stress and high temperatures. These events affect not only production during the current season, but also grapevine perennity. For example, we have observed a rise in dieback incidence over the past 2 years in the south of France. Severe carbon reserve depletion is likely a contributing factor, but currently, no clear strategy exists to better manage carbon reserve dynamics. This is where the new positions come in. The person we recruit will focus on understanding the partitioning of carbon reserves to different sink organs and how these processes are influenced by genotypic environmental interactions. If selected, you will conduct experiments to deepen our understanding of these mechanisms. However, because it's impossible to test every combination of genotypes, management practices, and environmental conditions, you will also use modeling approaches. This may include crop models or functional structural plant models, which are particularly developed in our group and well-suited to analyze the effect of architectural management on carbon dynamics and more generally on plant functioning.
If you join us, you will be working at the LEPS laboratory, a joint research unit between INRAE and l'Institut Agro. This means that some staff members like me are employed by INRAE, while others like Benoît are not only researchers, but also teachers at l'Institut Agro. LEPS is an ecophysiology lab that works at the interface of disciplines like genetics, physiology, agricultural science, and modeling. The lab focuses on plant adaptation to climate change on 3 main species: 2 annuals, maize and wheat, and 1 perennial, grapevine. Our team, named ETAP, investigates the physiological and genetic determinants of traits of interest and integrates this variability into models in order to identify the best performing varieties and management practices for the future. Our group currently consists of 6 scientists and 3 technical staff members. We focus mainly on grapevine, covering various scales of plant organization, from genetic bases to organs and fields. Currently, we're exploring the potential for new agroecological practices that combine different genotypes and different management strategies in order to better address climate change challenges.
LEPS is internationally known for its phenotyping facilities. We have 3 high-throughput platforms for potted plants, which allow us to simulate different climatic conditions and weather deficit scenarios. These platforms are essential to study the behavior of large populations under controlled conditions, and their success is reflected by the large number of publications in international journals. We also have access to several vineyards, enabling us to validate our findings under real field conditions. Additionally, we use cutting-edge equipment like leaf gas analyzer and unique plant materials, such as diversity panels. We also use dwarf grapevine, which are ideal for experiments in small growth chambers. We collaborate with many other groups, with INRAE team in Bordeaux and Colmar, with other ecophysiological teams in Clermont-Ferrand and Avignon, and also with international partners in Europe, South America, and Australia. We also work closely with stakeholders, such as companies developing agrovoltaic systems. On the modeling side, we are involved in the development of OpenAlea, a platform for simulating plant architecture and functioning with modular, generic tools.
For the position offered here, we are seeking a highly motivated researcher with a PhD in plant ecophysiology, agricultural science, or plant biology. You should have a strong understanding of plant-environment interactions and experience in plant modeling and data analysis. You will also manage experiments on plants grown in phenotyping platforms or in field conditions. And of course, it's important that you enjoy working in a team and in an interdisciplinary context, collaborating with modelers, geneticists, and agronomists. Now, let me tell you a bit more about your future work environment. You will be employed by INRAE, a leader in plant science research with a worldwide reputation. INRAE is a large institute with over 12,000 staff members across France and its overseas territories. This specific position is held in Montpellier, in the south of France, on a campus just 2 kilometers away from the city center. As I mentioned, INRAE is renowned worldwide for its scientific excellence. By working here, you will also have access to a wide range of agricultural fields and opportunities to collaborate with other leading research institutes such as CNRS or NCRAD. Montpellier itself is a fantastic place to live. It is a vibrant city with a large student population, excellent weather, and it's just 10 kilometers from the Mediterranean coast.
If you are interested in this opportunity, we encourage you to apply online following the procedure provided on this slide. You could begin to work with us on September the 1st of this year. If you have any question, do not hesitate to contact us by email. Thank you, and we hope to see your application soon.
Bye-bye, see you soon!